Hi, my name is Michelle McLennan from Moments Marketing and Keller Williams Real Estate, and today we're at what's going to be known as the Forest Hills development. Now, this development is being built by John Garris Homes. He's offering 8 lots ranging from 1 to 10 acres. So let me take you on a tour. So as I mentioned, there are 8 lots in total, and they sit along Douglass Drive and Old Douglass Drive, which is right off of Benjamin Franklin Highway, here in Douglass Township, Berks County. And this is truly a prime location. You're off the beaten path with all of this privacy, but yet you're within 5 to 10 minutes of parks, restaurants, and shops. You're gonna love living here. There's 5 different models to choose from, and today I'm going to give you a tour of lot 2, which is the Franklin model, and this is a quick delivery. Let's go check it out. Some of the quality features of the Forest Hills development will consist of 9-foot first floor ceilings, first floor laundry rooms, and beautiful GE appliances such as a built-in microwave, self-cleaning electric range, and Energy Star efficient dishwasher. Envision oak stained railings on an open staircase with white spindles leading you to the second floor. Upstairs, the owner's suite will be stunning with a full bath and walk-in closet. And the additional bedrooms are going to be spacious and provide ample closet space. Other features of the home will consist of poured concrete foundation walls, a sump pump, 200 amp electrical service, underground utilities, and a 30-year CertainTeed dimensional roof shingles. Besides the scenic views, these homes are going to offer public sewer, private well water, and propane heating.